Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look at Reddit stock today. Now Reddit stock at the moment or today is falling by 0.07%, really quite a neutral day. However, we did open up quite negative. It's good that we've been able to recover, and over the past 5 days we're now up by 2%, which puts us at a month gain of over 10%, with a 6-month period looking even better, gains of over 100%. The question of course on a lot of people's minds right now is, where do we go from here and what comes next? And whilst nobody can say for sure, whilst I am certainly not a financial advisor, and therefore this video is not financial advice, over the course of it, I will be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on everything that we are seeing. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe, it does help me out a lot. And again, I do now have a Patreon page where you can find out about some of the stocks which I am paying attention to, which I may not have time to cover here on YouTube. It may be very educational, and you'll also be helping to support the channel, so feel free to click the first link in the description and the first pinned comment. Anyway, let's jump in and let's quickly have a look at Reddit stock for today. So what stands out as to what we are seeing right now? Well, a few things stand out to me. We're seeing a little bit of a dip in Reddit stock as I note, however we are seeing the stock still holding above previous levels of resistance that we have seen, which were roughly around 246. This is a good sign, and the fact we've been able to spring back so well is also very positive. If I was to give a hope for what I'm looking for into tomorrow, even if we do have another red day, I don't want to see this one drop below 253. I'd like to also say that whilst the indicators such as the RSI are still very high, they have had a little bit of time to cool down from the overbought range that they were previously at. Now they're very much on the edge, but not technically still in the overbought range at the moment. Now levels to the upside of course are going to be very basic. We're looking to push up above this level, initially at 166.80, then for a push on to 168, 169. Then we could be looking to touch 170. I think things here are actually taking the right sort of trend. I mean, like I say, view this in context. I think this is very important. If we can go to the year to date and zoom in, you can see that this stock was not too long ago in May, which, you know, in context is not that long. It was valued at about $98, $99. Right now the price is well in excess of $250. It is up big. And I think every single time that we see a small one of these consolidation periods or something like that, it's not necessarily a bad sign. It's a period, it's an opportunity for the stock to find new levels of support, for the stock to stabilize. So if we do see this one drop tomorrow or in the next few days, I think a drop to 254, 255 would not be that worrying at all. I think it is entirely a possibility, but it very much depends. One thing that I will say is I think today did show us a lot of strength, especially in context. You know, this stock opened up red, initially dipping even further in the morning. The fact we've been able to come back so strong, I think can only be a very positive sign. So I am feeling very bullish here. I think it is a very promising stock opportunity. And I think when you're looking for pushes up to 270, which are entirely possible, we are in a very good position. You'll have to let me know what you think to this one in the comments, guys. I think this is a stock right now which has a lot of potential, but I would be cautious and I would potentially be looking for a little bit of a pullback, which could take us down to the 254, 255 range. I'd love to hear what you have to say on it. Again, do let me know in the comments. I'd like to share with you though, before we do finish the video, some thoughts regarding the Patreon page. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, On these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.